I had lots of requests for mini Bakewell tarts, so I decided to make them for you today. Don't they look gorgeous? I made them in my cupcake tin, so they're a really nice size. Lots of jam in there, Frangipane, and that lovely icing and the signature cherry on top. Let's start baking. We're going to make the pastry first. I'm using the food processor, but you can do this by hand, and I'll include how in the recipe if you want to do it that way. So we're going to get 200 grams of plain flour into my food processor, 50 grams of icing sugar, and I've got 100 grams of butter, cold butter that I've cubed. Perfect. In goes 1 egg yolk, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and I've got 2 tablespoons of water. And my pastry is ready. So just remove it from the food processor. What I always do is just put a little bit of flour on my worktop and just knead it gently till you get it nice and smooth. Perfect. We're going to get into some cling wrap. And now we're going to chill it for 30 minutes. All right, I'm ready to roll out the pastry. So I took this out of the fridge about 10 minutes ago, and I kneaded a little just to make it a bit softer to roll out. We're going to roll this out to about 3 millimeter thickness. That's about the size of a euro coin or a £1 coin. Perfect. Because I'm using a cupcake tin and the holes in the tin are quite deep, I'm going to cut out my pastry with a 9 centimeter cutter. If your tin is a lot more shallow, then you can use a smaller cutter. So I'm going to cut out 12 of these. And let's get them into the tin. Get your pastry cases into your cupcake tin. Make sure to grease them. Gently push them down. Lovely. I've got some raspberry jam now, so I'm going to put a spoon of jam into each of them. I like to use a cupcake tin because they're nice and deep. And when it comes to putting the icing on each of the mini Bakewells, it just sits inside of the pastry. It's not flowing off. Great. I'm going to set these to one side. We're going to make the Frangipane to go on top of the jam. So in here I've got 100 grams of butter. I'm going to add in 100 grams of sugar. We're going to mix this together until it's nice and soft and fluffy. I've got 2 medium eggs here. I'm going to add one and mix it, and then I'll add the other. I've got 100 grams of ground almonds. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond extract. I'm going to fold all this in. And that's my Frangipane all ready. Perfect. Okay, get yourself a teaspoon, and we're going to put about that amount on top of each of them. These are ready for the oven now, and they're going into the oven for about 22 minutes. I've just taken them out of the oven. They're a lovely golden colour. Now they've domed a little bit, but I'm just going to show you a little tip for how to deal with that. Get yourself a spoon. They're still hot, and just press them down gently like that. It has to be hot when you do this. So just go over them all and push them down gently. And there you have them, nice flat tops on my mini Bakewell tarts now. I'm going to leave them in the tin to cool completely, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Ready for the fun part now. My mini Bakewells have fully cooled down. They're a lovely size, aren't they? So I'm going to leave them in the tin for this part while I decorate them. In here I've got 100 grams of icing sugar. I'm just going to add in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of water and mix it together. And that's the kind of consistency you want. So I'm going to put some on each of the Bakewells now. So put about a spoon on each of them. And just gently spread it out like that. And add half a cherry on top in the center. Like that. Just do that for the rest of them as well. Good thing about doing them in this tin is that the icing can go right out to the edge of the tin and it'll set itself. And there you have them. They're going to take about an hour to 2 hours now for the icing to fully set. Now they're set, they're ready to come out of the tin. These parchment strips I use make it so easy to lift them out without breaking. I'm going to cut one in half now. Just look at that, all those lovely layers, crispy pastry, a layer of sweet raspberry jam, soft almond frangipane, finished with icing and a glacé cherry on top. The smell incredible and the taste even better. And there you have them everyone, my mini Bakewell tarts. And just to mention, if you prefer to make these without the icing, what you can do is add some flaked almonds to the top of your frangipane before you put them into the oven, and they'll just be gorgeous with a little bit of cream. I hope you enjoy the recipe, try it out. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.